ProTinkerToys.com. Okay, now this is another gun by Paris. Now you can get this gun either in a holster and a belt or just a plain gun. This is item 101, gun 101, and this is the Cowboy Collection. They're called the Cowboy Collection. They're die cast. These are caps, roll caps. We sell the roll caps. The roll caps just fit right in here, and you feed it up through here and snap, snap. All die cast. Now this gun is great for a kid between let's say 5 and 8. Daniel, David, get over here. So David is 7, so show him what the gun looks like in your hand. Now pull the trigger. Yeah, see, it's perfect for his grip, okay, because he's 7. All right. Good job. All right. And this is item 101, and this is another 100% die-cast guns from Gonher. Gonher is made in Spain. A lot of their guns are made in Spain, which is great, because Spain requires a lot of their manufactured items to be manufactured, or a lot of items sold in Spain to be manufactured in Spain, if you did not know that. That's why a lot of these cars used to be made in Spain, like this one right here. So this fly car, this is made in Spain. Right here. Made in Spain. Can you believe it? Back in 2000, all of them were. Most of fly cars were made in Spain. Then they outsourced it to China. Okay, so that is the Gonher 101 Cowboy Pistol, die-cast caps, roll caps at ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Hey, if you're over here, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button. If you have any questions, always send us a note, because we love notes. We love to talk to you, okay? Like all the guys that watch us on our live stream, we have all of our favorite guys, Robert Fish and all of our other people. They love watching me. Have a great day.